Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Cupcake Jumpscare FNAF 4 Easy Guide. Load the bedroom and immediately set your camera to monitor the bed area closely. Keep your flashlight charged and be ready to flash in short bursts only when audio cues spike. Move slowly around the bed and avoid direct eye contact with the animatronic until the cupcake moves. Small, timed flashes increase your chance of triggering the jump scare reliably. Position yourself by the doorway and focus on audio cues that indicate movement near the bed. Use quick flashlight taps of about 0.5 to 1 second to startle the cupcake without canceling its approach. Note the rhythm and practice until your timing feels natural, and keep calm so you can react consistently. This steady approach makes the jump scare easier to trigger and helps you learn reliable patterns for future attempts. If you find the cupcake won't jump, leave the bedroom and re-enter to reset its behavior and audio triggers. Confirm that game sound is clear and your monitor brightness doesn't hide subtle movement near the bed. When behavior stays inconsistent, restart the night to avoid corrupted spawn states, then repeat the timing practice. Regular resets and focused listening usually resolve most issues and help you achieve a clean jump scare capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.